things move?
Great question. First, motion is simply an object changing its position as time gently moves forward. Second, today we will explore how pushes and pulls make things speed up, slow down, or glide smoothly. Third, stay with me because these ideas become the building blocks for all physics you will ever learn.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
Great question. That curiosity is exactly how real scientists think. Number 1, understanding motion helps you predict what will happen next in the world around you. Number 2, it gives you a powerful way to connect forces, speed, and energy in real problems. Number 3, it becomes the foundation for solving everything from falling objects to car safety questions.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
That is an important question. Big outcomes always start with small causes. 1. Imagine motion as a story where every change needs a push or pull to begin. 2. The core truth is that forces cause acceleration, which means speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. 3. Remember this by linking force leads to change, the central heartbeat of physics.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
I love this part too. Let me walk you through it slowly, one clear step at a time so your brain can lock it in. Step 1. A force acts on an object, nudging it to start moving or change its motion. Step 2. That force creates acceleration, which can gently increase or decrease the object's speed. Step 3. Once forces balance out, the object glides with constant motion until something else acts on it again.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
Yes, now you are thinking like a doctor. We see this in real life all the time. First, when you ride a bike and press the pedals, you feel yourself speed up and slow down just like objects in physics. Second, doctors study motion when looking at how blood flows or how muscles push your body during movement. Third, recognizing these patterns helps scientists solve problems like improving balance, sports performance, and safety.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
Here is one simple trick that will help you remember this forever. Step 1. Imagine your brain holding a tiny notebook labeled, if then rules. Step 2. Picture a new rule being written each time your brain sees the same pattern happen twice. Step 3. Remember this wisdom, small rules learned today become the strong habits that shape tomorrow. If this sparked curiosity, leave a comment and share this with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together. Don't miss the quiz episode. Brains remember better when they are tested.
See you in the next episode.